Hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing on iPhone and Android. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to Instagram new update after in Instagram's Reel option is not showing. Now the Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone, iPad and iOS. Instagram users to say Instagram Reels option showing before the 2 days ago, but still now I will open the Instagrams and bottom side Reel option is not showing. In this tutorial I give you some solutions for fixing this issue, so guys please make sure follow the steps. Now first of all, important thing is strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android. Once Wi-Fi is connected, now open the any browser like Safari and Chrome browser in the Android devices. In my case, I will open the Chrome browser. Now the solution is download the old version of Instagrams. Open the Chrome browser. After you can see also this website link I give you on my descriptions box, so guys please make sure copy and paste. Now the stable version is 21 February 2022. These versions download install on your iPhone and Android devices. This way too you can easily Instagram Reels option fix on your iPhone. Now the second solution is most important. The solution is Instagram Clear Cache and Clear Data on your iPhone and Android device. Now first of all find out the Instagram applications from the iPhone and Android home screens. Now press and hold. After you can see also second last option is app information. Now tap on the storage uses. Now wait for the calculation of the storage in your iPhone and Android device. When the storage calculation is done, now you can see also right hand side edges, clear data and clear cache options available. Now please make sure both after you can easily fix your problems. If the first and second solution is not working, then go for the third one solution. Now the third one solution is uninstall the Instagram applications and reinstall again on your iPhone and Android device. Now first of all again find out the Instagram applications, press and hold. After you can see also last option is uninstall. Instagram application successfully uninstalled. After you can see also find out the App Store in the iPhone and Play Store in the Android device. In the top corner you can see also search bar. In search bar search Instagram applications. Now install the Instagram applications. After wait for the some times, then again login your account. This way too you can easily Reels option fix on your iPhone and Android device. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as on your iPhone and iPad related. Thank you so much.